Hi, I'm Erik Linask. I'm here on the IT Expo exhibit hall floor with Michael Bibelman, who's the CEO of VoiceServe. Mike, thanks again for joining me. It's a pleasure to have you again.
Thanks for having me.
So you guys, I guess, from what you were telling me, made a pretty exciting announcement right here at the show surrounding BlackBerry.
Correct. Till now, we've always had 4 other dialers: iPhone, Windows Mobile, Symbian, and Android. By the IT Expo, we just now launched our BlackBerry SIP client. We're the first ones in the market to actually have that. It's been a big hit, a lot of orders, a lot of interest have come in. Just at the moment, it's just for telephony. It's going to be afterwards for coming soon for video conferencing, IPTV, third part of 2010, and then basically video on demand.
So the BlackBerry, for the BlackBerry, was that out of demand? Or
Yes, extremely out of demand. That was number one, which we had, especially for the US and Canadian market. We were inundated. Once we gave our clients the other 4 and our clients purchased the other 4, we always used to have, when's BlackBerry? That was the number one question. When's BlackBerry coming out? So we waited for this special time, IT Expo, actually to push it out.
Although I imagine if you had waited for Symbian to be the last one, they would have asked you, when's Symbian coming?
Exactly.
They want everything. So why does nobody else have a mobile SIP client or a BlackBerry SIP client out there?
I guess it's technology behind it. We have over 60 guys in R&D who are really working on it. A good chunk of those were actually working on it during that time. Since we are number one as our business is IP telephony, we put all our emphasis and resources into it to make sure it really... We actually had it working quite a few weeks ago, quite a few months ago, but just really to get it to the fine art, we were waiting for this day.
Now, what kind of capabilities would I, as a BlackBerry user, get from...
Right. It basically is a SIP client which works over 3G, it works over Edge, Wi-Fi, so wherever a person is, no problem. Just get out their BlackBerry and start making calls just like that. So
that easy?
Exactly it.
And how can one download it?
Well, if it's a telecom company or one of our clients, they just buy a license from us and they'll just put it on their own server and then resell it onto their clients. And there they are, ready to go.
Very, very interesting. Anything else that you're seeing in terms of trends here at the show this week?
Yeah, it's actually mostly IPPBX and mobile dialers. Those are 2 things which are really inundated. People coming to us the whole time, asking us, demand, can we as well have video conferencing, eventually IPTV. We've been asked by a few customers already. So that is the way how we see it going forward.
So certainly IPPBX is something that we've been seeing here at the show for years now. You see more people ask about video conferencing.
Yes, correct.
So does it seem to you that video conferencing is really becoming more to the forefront?
Correct. It's because mostly it's due to using less bandwidth. The backbone's stronger, so people are more confident in using that kind of technology at the moment.
And on mobile devices as well.
Correct. On mobile devices, especially on mobile devices, turned out it's rather slow. We've actually done a few pilots, tests on it, pilot schemes, and it's working fine.
Very interesting. So, is it actually possible that the advances in mobile devices in particular are helping drive the video communications market?
We see it like that as well. A lot of clients have bought our SIP dialers and asked us, we're buying it now. Is it possible we can have an upgrade later on? We say, no problem, you can. So that is actually driving more people to purchasing, especially our 4 main dialers, which we've had up to now. We've seen a lot of drive for that.
So how far out are you from video?
We hope to have it second Q2,
Excellent.
2010.
Well, in that case, I look forward to talking with you about that at our Los Angeles event.
Yeah, looking forward.
I've been talking here with VoiceServe's Michael Bibelman at IT Expo. Michael, thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.